Hi everyone, I am Jayaprakasam, Assistant Professor of ECD Department, NPR College of Engineering and Technology, Nattam. Now I want taking the classes for OMD 551 Basics of Biomedical Instrumentation. In this subject, in first unit, biopotential generation and electrode types. In this unit, contain the following topics: origin of biopotential and its propagation, and types of electrodes. Only 3 types of electrodes are having in this unit. First one is surface electrodes and needle electrodes and micro electrodes, and also their equivalent circuit of these 3 electrodes. Next, recording problem of and measurement with 2 electrodes. These are the content of first unit. Next one is in first unit, first topic, origin of biopotential and its propagation. In this unit, we will learn about what are the basics of cell, what are the function of cell, what are the function of cell, learn about the basics of biomedical, and what are the potential available from the human body, what are the bioelectric potential available from the human body. ECG, EEG, ERG, EOG, these are the what are the biosignal from the human body. ECG means electrocardiogram, EMG means electromyogram, ERG means electroretinogram, EEG means electroencephalogram. What is meant by ECG? These are the one of the biosignal. Electrocardiogram, electrical activities of human heart muscles, electrical activity of heart muscles. It contains the ECG waveform, different types of ECG waveform. Different types of ECG wave means PQRS waveform. This biosignal ECG waveform, how to pick up from the human body, how to record it from this ECG waveform, and how to analyze the ECG waveform. These are the main important for biosignal analysis, bioelectric signal analysis. Next, at the same EMG. EMG means electromyogram, muscles activities, electrical activities of muscles activity. And EEG means electroencephalograph, electrical activity of human brain. And ERG means electroretinogram, eye. PCG means phonocardiogram, human heart sound, measurement of human heart sound. that is called the main biosignals available from the human body, how to pick up this human body, how to record this human body signals, how to analyze the human body signals. These are the different types of biological signal. Next, go for basics of origin of biopotential and its propagation. How to analyze the basics. Bioelectric potential, communication with neuron and electrical signals, and electric current. Movement of electrons. Bioelectrics. What is mean bioelectrics means movement of ions. The basics of bioelectric potential. Next one is ion concentration. Concentration. What are the particles? What are the molecules available in the ion distributions? Particles, molecules. Which one is electrically charged particles? What are the particles available in the human body? Anion and cation. Anion means negatively charged particles and cation means positively charged particles. Which are the two types of charged particles available? Anion and cation. Anion means negatively charged particle, cation means positively charged particles. What are the ion distribution about the cell membrane? Anion, cellulose, intracellular proteins. What are some example for chloride ions? These are the example, and cations, which are the example for this type, sodium, potassium, Na plus and potassium K plus. There are the some anion cation examples. Next one is what are the potential available from the human body? Two types of potential available from the human body. First one is resting potential and one action potential. Two types of potential available from the human body. What is mean by resting potential? What is mean by resting potential? Division and drift process rising to balance of ions between the inside and outside the cell membrane. That is called as resting potential. What is mean resting potential? It means what are the balance of ions between the inside and outside the cell membrane. Suppose taking this one of the cell membrane, outside the cell membrane having positive ion and inside the cell membrane having negative ion. These are the basic definition for resting potential. Very important question, 2 mark question for resting potential. How is membrane is polarized? Next one. How is membrane is polarized? More negative particles inside and outside. That's the first point. For more negative particles are inside, outside the cell membrane. What is bioelectric potential? Liking as a battery. Bioelectric potential liking as a battery. And what are the potential for ion movement? What are the potential for ion means nothing but current. These are the what are the membrane potential is polarized. Okay, next one is resting potential. Already discussed, already told, in our cell membrane, positive ion having outside the cell membrane and negative ion keeping inside the cell membrane. That is called resting potential. That is called as resting potential. Next one is some basics of membrane potential. Net bioelectric potential for all ions. It is having the net bioelectric potential for all ions. Balance of both gradient concentration and also having the electrostatic. This one is balance about this. Next one is units millivolt. What are the units for membrane potential? Units for millivolt. And what are the membrane potential ranges? This one is calculated by Boltzmann equations. This one is calculated by Boltzmann equation. Vm equal to minus 65 millivolt. This one is given by the Boltzmann equations. These are the some basics of membrane potential. Next, what are the characters of resting potential? What are the characters of resting potential mean, which can be derived by Boltzmann equation already told. What is mean Boltzmann equations? Vm equal to RT by Zf ln Pk into K plus O plus Pna Na plus O PCl Cl minus O by Pk K plus I plus Pna Na plus I PCl Cl minus I. P means potassium. P means permeability. K means potassium. Na means sodium. Cl means chlorine. These are the Boltzmann equations. P means permeability. Here, net potential movement of all ions. These are the some characteristics. Some known Vm, membrane potential. How to predict direction of movement of any ion. These are the some characters of resting potential. And in resting potential, some characters. Which one is depending upon the temperature? Permeability varied from some different cell membrane. These are the major characteristics of resting potential. Okay. In this topic, origin of biopotential, very important topic for first unit. First, origin of biopotential. Origin of biopotential. First of all, learn about the basics of cell. What are the structure of cell? What are the parts of cell? What are the parts of cell? What are the function of cell? These are very important. What are the transport the ions from cell membrane? Different types of cell membrane. Ions transport through the cell membrane. Active transport, basic transport. These are the main transport ion through the cell membrane. Next one is what are the potential available from the cell